Did you know that 60% of data breaches are caused by insiders? It's a staggering statistic that highlights a hidden danger lurking within organizations. Insider threats aren't just about malicious intent, they can also be accidental. Understanding insider threats is crucial. They come in three forms: malicious or intentional, negligent and compromised, or possibly unintentional. Each poses unique challenges and requires tailored strategies to mitigate. Let's delve deeper into these categories to grasp their potential impact. Corporate espionage costs businesses billions annually. It's not just a financial burden, it can cripple reputations and trust. Real life examples abound, showcasing companies that suffer due to insider threats. The ripple effect of a single breach can be devastating. It impacts not just the immediate victim, but the entire organization. Understanding this can help us appreciate the gravity of insider threats. Learn to spot insider threats by recognizing red flags like unusual access patterns and disgruntled employees. These signs are often overlooked but can be crucial in preventing breaches. Regular audits and monitoring are essential. They help identify potential threats early. Fostering a culture of transparency and trust can significantly minimize risks and enhance security. Implementing a multi-layered security approach is vital. It encompasses physical, digital, and human elements. Each layer plays a role in safeguarding against insider threats. Employee training and awareness programs are crucial. They empower staff to recognize and respond to threats. Technology also plays a key role in detecting and preventing insider activities. Conduct a thorough risk assessment of your organization. It's the first step in developing a comprehensive insider threat program. Engage with cybersecurity experts to stay ahead of potential threats. By taking these steps, you'll fortify your defenses against insider threats. Let's work together to create a safer, more secure environment for everyone. Your proactive actions today can prevent tomorrow's disasters. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to see how we can help you.